zoom back. They cannot take us forward. What can take us ahead, what can take us into the future is only one word called self-confidence and self-belief, which makes you a true differentiator. Start liking your own self. Start liking your strengths. Start liking your perseverance. Perseverance is the success which you get after continuously putting an effort. And then innovation, try to do something different. Try to do something different. In this knockdown, we have started innovated all virtual workshops like this. I'm making a proposal and tailoring made, customizing to each client, approaching them and requesting, sir, why can't we do this? All my clients are good clients like your bank, and then they said, why can't we do it? We will definitely do it. Innovation, have compassion for people who are working with you, and then have love for your family. Don't put your official pressures onto your family. It's a work-life balance, which is most important thing on the earth. Meaning is that you people, your kid, do not expect a general manager or a chief manager to come home. They expect dad or mom to come home. You need to understand this particular point. Your wife do not expect a chief manager to come and say, good morning, sir, how are you doing this, sir? Or your husband, whoever is the spouse, they expect a life companion to come and say, had you had your food? How are you, darling? How are you doing? Did you have your food? These kind of soothing words, they expect it. Don't ever try to overlap your official pressures onto this. Communicate with them. Communicate with them. Express your love. Communication, I'm going to talk. That's my another aspect which I'm going to talk in the later part of my presentation. Share your thoughts. Don't keep it to yourself. Share with your teams your thoughts. What I want to think, what I am thinking is, don't do it after you take a decision. Put them, take them into confidence, and then do. Share your relationship. Even if you shout at your office boy, call him inside, put a hand around him, or at least say, I am with you, don't worry, that was only out of pressure. I am doing it. It is not, I have no intention to shout at you. And then share your responsibilities. Empower people. Delegate people. Make use of the people around. Who knows? There is a much worthier candidate is working under you. Don't underestimate a person by his or her looks. Don't underestimate a person by just by their experience. Who knows? There is a treasure lying your own team, your own person who can be much useful to you. Subscribe yourself as a leader. Never ever you think that I am not a leader. You are a leader. Subscribe yourself as a seller. When you are selling, a marketing guy, come how you do it. What are you doing these days? We are all cross-selling. Have you ever observed that if you go to a barber shop or a cutting shop, you just go for getting one service being done there? Not to me, for many people. I know you all looking at me with saying that barber shop for Pradeep, that's a different issue altogether, but still we go there. He does one haircut, then asks for us a shave, then he again asks, we said go ahead, then he asks for something else, he massage, and then he asks for a facial. Ultimately he sends us out with a billing of more than 2,000 rupees. We intend to go with one customer, but the seller is selling many points. You have multiple products today to make bank richer. You have multiple products today. You can also cross-sell and then take it forward. You should be a planner. 60, 30, 10 is what is planning strategy of mine. 60 for official work, 30% of your time for your personal work, but 10% for self-learning. You should spend your time 10% for self-learning. Then subscribe you as a friend. The best mode for customer service is being like a friend. Understanding the customer. I am not saying you should break the processes. I am not saying you should break the rules, but understand them and their friend. You can say you are my dear friend, but I am not able to help you. I'm very sorry, rules are there. I wanted to help literally. I'm not able to help you. These kind of words at least will make him to soothe that have done. Subscribe now, you, nobody else. People like you when you excel. People like butterflies. People don't like caterpillars. People like winners. People like almost I have one people. No way.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, అందరికి ఆడియో వస్తుంది అడగండి సార్ ఎస్ఎన్ టైప్ చేయండి సార్.
Yeah, 1 second. My staff wants me to know, is my audio audible? Just put your hands, thumbs like this. Yes.
Type
yes.
Y. Yes.
No, that they cannot do anyhow. That's fine. I see many of the hands raising. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's okay, Shivaraj. Thanks for this. So people like you, when you excel in your life, in the sense that when we are at the top, nobody will stop you. There should be a reason for your top management not to promote you. There should be a reason for top management not to invite you. There should be a reason for top management. How can I avoid Mr. Elisetti Mohan? There should be a reason for them to avoid you. So you need to excel. I am just saying, invoice your ideas. Had I not invoiced my ideas, I would have not speaking with you this now. I went to the bank and then I spoke to top management and then I invoiced my ideas. You may be having 100 ideas that not ultimately the Kota Srinivasarao in Ahana Pradenta, what is in it for me? Nakentita. Bank also asks you, what am I getting for this? Invoice your ideas. Market your plans. Intensify your efforts. If you are working for, see what is the difference between ordinary and extraordinary. Ordinary person works for 2 kilometers. Extraordinary person works for 2.1 kilometers. But ordinary person remains to be ordinary throughout his life, walking only 2 kilometers. But extraordinary person increases, intensifies marginally day by day, and then from 2.1 to 2.2 to 2.3, one day ends up walking at 5 kilometers. That is the reason he will be given winning the marathons, what he is doing it. Intensify your efforts. Create trustworthiness, meaning a belief that Srinivasan Mallala is there. It's a belief, sir, that you have to create to the world, saying that, yes, I have given this job to him. I can sleep now. I can forget. Create a trustworthiness. Blueprint your future. Your future is not just the bank. Your future is not just retiring at the age of 60 and receiving a bouquet and then a good gift from your HR. It is not a life. It is further beyond. Self-learning at this age will help you to continuously learn even your phase 2 life, that is post-retirement life. Surpass all the targets. Never wait for the target. Targets are only mental blocks. You can always surpass them and then go ahead. You are measured by numbers, not by plans and words. Ultimately, management looks only how much profit there you have made, what are the deposits, what are the life insurance policies, what you have achieved. Ultimately, likes should come only when you do works, not words. The future belongs to you. Upgrade yourself to upscale yourself. This seminar means it is a personal effectiveness seminar and a leadership summit because you need to be upgrading yourself. You cannot be a black and white television. You cannot be a fountain ink. You cannot be a Salaji Museum material any longer. When you are using all upgraded versions, why can't you get yourself upgraded? I was surprised yesterday. We received even calls saying that how can I download a Zoom app? How can I connect to the Zoom app? Which I'm very sorry in case I'm hurting somebody. With due respect, I'm saying it takes 2 minutes for us to go to Google or to YouTube it and then find any answer. All that we have to do is have the willingness to learn. Have the willingness to learn. If you start learning, age is no bad, and then you can do your positive thoughts. It is not socialism, it is not communalism, it is not bossism, it is not journalism or heroism that is going to prevail this world after Corona. It is only one thing called positivism, nothing beyond that. This ism is going to make it. The self-belief that I am the best, the self-belief that I can do the best, the self-belief that I contribute the best to my bank itself makes you a winner all through the life. Positive thoughts. And then excellent words, we are going to talk about it. Go and get me a glass of water. Your staff may get it, sub-staff may get it, but they have a curse in their heart. Instead, if you say, can you help me with a glass of water? That boy goes and does the job with a joy. With a joy. Just a small thing. Your fan in the home is making a noise. Are we throwing away? No, we call an electrician who puts 2 drops of lubrication into that. Just 2 drops. It becomes smoother. I am also saying, whatever fiction you have, whatever bad client you have, whatever your boss may shout at you, but ultimately you can say, sorry, thank you. These 2 words will guard you. And then your super actions. I may have 100 plans. I may have 100 stories. If I don't make it to a film, how can you see that? Your action is the key component. What are you waiting for? Start a new journey of a film called You, in which open your mind. You are the actor of life. You are the writer of your life and the director of your life. And my simple question is, lockdown is the end of your life or beginning of the life? I look at it as a new opportunity. Today, I close the door to the past, open the door to a future, take a deep breath, step on through, and then start a new chapter in my life. This is called Pradeep version 2. Physical, gone. Virtual version. I am going to talk to people. I am going to do it. I had to go to from my Somajaguda to Koti branch to talk to CDO sir or somebody else, and then used to spend 3 hours. Today, 30-minute Zoom call I am spending. I am taking 6 calls. Have I not intensified my opportunities? I have not increased my things. When one door closes, my dear friends, other door opens. Just look at the other door. This is a combination era. You go to McDonald's, you have French fries, you have Pepsi, you have burger as a combination combo offered. Your bank, your customer, your society looks from you a combination of your values. The process adherence, this A.S. Murthy sir is going to talk. Your strengths, this Lakshminarayan sir is going to talk. Your attitude, A.S. Murthy sir is going to talk. I am going to talk about the skill sets. Skill set. Look at a 5-year-old student now is virtually connecting with his teacher and then articulating the lessons today. Your skills cannot stop you growing. Skills are such thing which comes out of by practice. You read 100 books, you don't get how to bicycle. But if you start bicycling, you will get it in 10 seconds. The balance of skill sets is also like that. What is a skill? A skill is something which you are not born with, but we learn from others, we practice, and then we master it. We master it. That's what Sachin Tendulkar and MS Subbulakshmi did not take birth with a bat or a mic in their hand. They learned it from their masters. They learned it out of their experiences. They learned it out of their desire to learn. They learned it out of their will to excel in the life. And then they started practicing it, and then they started executing it. Today, they have said that they are winners here. And then acquire knowledge. What's happening across the world? You are thinking that customer today, earlier customer comes with no knowledge. Today, customer walks into your cabin with full knowledge because at the handset, it's with Google. I can compare what is the percentage of deposit rate of you for some other nationalized bank or with a private bank. Every data is at the fingertips of the customer. If you do not have the sufficient knowledge about the business, what you are doing, any question, you cannot say, I will come back to you. Customer may not come back to you again. You need to have such kind of a knowledge wherein you can do. So the combination, the values, the king of Dharmaraja, in Pandavas they call Dharmaraja, the king of values. So I'm saying Dharmaraja, the king of values in you. Bhimasena, the king of strengths in you. Strength is not physical strength, the determination, the willpower, working for a target, your perseverance, your positive approach towards life, effective decision making, all these are strengths to you. And then Arjuna, the king of attitude, your proactiveness, your possibility thinking, your positiveness, your open-mindedness, you are flexible in learning, and then your empathy, your compassion, all these are your attitudes. And the skills, the leadership qualities, the communication skills, you can say time management, you can say stress management, work-life balance, you say innovation, all these are skills. And then your knowledge. Knowledge is one which is acquired. Your enlightenment, your jnana, your experiences, your observations put you as a more knowledgeable person. You need to present a play of your experience to everyone as a combo, to your customer, to your stakeholder, to your bosses, to your management. Then only they are going to take it. Gone are the days that I sell only idli. No way. I have to sell idli, dosha, coffee combo.